Ezriela. It's evening, and this is our routine. I like to get us together and take a nice hot shower. It's quick, it's easy, but I know you like it better when Dad gives you a bath so you get to play around. It took a while for me to get back to having an evening routine, as I'm usually getting tired, low energy, and I'm kind of tapped out for the day. But I've been loving getting back to creating kind of a ritual, a happy end to the day. So I take us a bath, I get you settled, and then I head downstairs to make dinner. I love putting on modern jazz or any kind of soothing music, pouring me a glass of wine, and getting to cooking. On this day, I made a healthy shrimp bowl. It was delicious with quinoa and beans and veggies and shrimp. And I got a late start this day, actually, to our routine. So it was getting a little bit late for you to eat dinner, so I kept it simple and made you something different that could be on the table in minutes. So this was a dinner that your dad and I enjoyed. I do enjoy cooking, so I hope that these videos and the recipes I leave are ones that you pick up and someday cook for your family. After you finish eating your dinner, I got you ready to lay down for bed. Of course, you're always so hyper when we get upstairs and you want to jump around and slide down your slide. And sleep seems like it's the furthest thing from your mind. But we still managed to somehow get you a bit settled. I read you your evening Bible. You usually get excited for it, but halfway through you start checking out, which, I mean, you are a 3-year-old, so it makes sense. And this is you pretending to be asleep. After reading, we also make sure to do your affirmations and have some prayer time. After getting you somewhat settled in bed, not necessarily sleep, but at least relaxed, I went downstairs and finished making your dad and I's plate. He gets home a lot later, so I tend to eat dinner later if I want to enjoy it with him. So we had a bed of greens with quinoa, black beans, corn, shrimp. It was truly delicious. I actually would love to make that again. Now I'm just pulling up the monitor so that I'm able to watch you as you watch your iPad to make sure you're good, to be aware of when you fall asleep so I can actually go turn your iPad off. And now I'm getting to my cleaning routine. I developed a cleaning routine more recently, and it actually relaxes me. I don't know if you're gonna grow to love cleaning, but you probably will because you're my daughter. But I just make sure to wash all the dishes, clean the sink out, vacuum, mop, clean the bathroom. Just all the things that make for a peaceful morning when I wake up. Waking up to a clean space is honestly the best feeling, and knowing that I can get right to making my coffee, it's really perfect. Now that I finished cleaning, I'm just still enjoying some wine. I like to dim the lights, have my candles going. I usually grab a book, or if it's a Monday night, then I'm getting ready to watch my all-time favorite show, The Bachelor, The Bachelorette, or The Bachelor in Paradise. But this day I decided to go for a book. It's very relaxing, it puts me to sleep, and it's just better all around for health to have a book instead of TV or your phone. It's honestly like such a peaceful evening, and it's one of the things I love most about the end of the day, just settling down my mind and my body in a clean space and already prepared for the next morning. And that's the end of our evening, my girl. I love you, and until next time. So that concludes my evening routine. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in my next one. Bye.